Welcome to today's episode of Podcast Name, where we explore the intersection of technology and adventure sports. I'm excited to dive into a fascinating topic, the role of topography in outdoor activities and how modern technology is transforming our experience in the great outdoors. Have you ever found yourself staring at a flat, boring 2D map while you're out skiing, hiking, or mountain biking? It can be pretty uninspiring while you know you're tackling some serious elevation, right? Well, that's where CubeTrek comes into play. It's a tool that really enhances how we track and visualize our outdoor activities through 3D topographical views. It's like gaming for adventurers. Imagine this. You've just conquered that thrilling ascent, and you want to relive that moment. Instead of looking at a static map, you can see your journey in stunning 3D. CubeTrek can integrate with popular devices like Garmin, Polar, and Coros watches, making it easier than ever to manage your activities and visualize your adventure. It's not just about the thrill of the climb, it's about understanding and appreciating the landscape you're moving through. Okay, but let's break it down a bit. How does all this tech magic actually happen? When you upload a file from one of those devices, whether it's in FIT or GPX format, the server starts to work behind the scenes. It reads the tracks, figures out the distance, time, and even checks the elevation data. Fun fact, they utilize NASA's SRTM dataset to get accurate height information. How cool is that? And here's an even more interesting part. Ever thought about how your activity's name gets generated? Well, CubeTrek analyzes the highest point in your recorded track, assuming that's where your adventure really peaked. Literally. It cross-references this with a peak database, which is impressive considering it has over 520,000 entries pulled from OpenStreetMap. But there's more. If you're looking for a heat map of all your activities, CubeTrek can deliver that too. Have you ever thought about how often you hit the same trails? That heat map can show you exactly where you've been, helping you strategize your future excursions. Let's talk tech for a second. The backend is built on Java and Spring Boot, which is pretty solid. And if you've ever dabbled in web development, you'll know those tech stacks can get super complex. The front end is powered by Bootstrap and employs various libraries, including the impressive Babylon.js for 3D visuals and D3.js for data visualization. It's a lot of moving parts working together to create a seamless experience. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, what if I wanted to contribute? Well, good news. CubeTrek is open to collaboration, with a welcoming community encouraging pull requests. So if you're keen on coding and love the outdoors, this could be a fantastic project to get involved in. To wrap up, CubeTrek is more than just a fancy app. It's a pivotal tool for outdoor enthusiasts who wish to deepen their connection with their activities and the landscapes they explore. At the end of the day, whether you're skiing down a slope or hiking a mountain trail, it's the journey and the understanding of our environment that makes it all worthwhile. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe for more insights into how technology is bridging the gap between adventure sports and the data that fuels our passions. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.